Good morning from Australia Towbars Performance. This week we had the pleasure of working on brand new 2020 Volkswagen Crafter, where we have fitted a 3.5 ton rated towbar. I'll quickly take you through it. So this one is a super heavy duty fixed towbar. Looks like this, comes with the 17 electrics. The ratings are over there, 3.5 tons and 350 kilograms on the bowl. As you can see, the towbar is really heavy duty and it will allow for a good heavy towing for this 2020 Volkswagen Crafter. If you need a towbar for your Volkswagen Crafter, feel free to contact our friendly team at Australia Towbars Performance and we'll be more than happy to help you. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your day.